Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by measuring the docking station and its cable reach so placement is precise. This prevents stretched cords later. Once done, clear a 12 to 18-inch zone on your desk and test fit the dock where you want it. Make sure to keep the power brick accessible. Tuck it near a grommet or outlet. Next, choose mounting hardware. Velcro for removable access or adhesive strips for a low-profile fix, and lay out cable management tools so installation flows smoothly. You now mount the dock and route cables carefully. Start by affixing Velcro pads or slipping the dock onto a slim underdesk shelf. Make sure to leave a 1 to 2 centimeter ventilation gap to avoid heat buildup. Once mounted, route power and data cables through a grommet or adhesive raceway, then secure them with cable ties every 12 inches. Also leave a service loop of about 6 to 12 inches so you can unplug or reposition without strain, and label each cable for quick identification. You finish by concealing the raceway and tidying visible lines. Use small clips to guide vertical drops and tuck excess behind trim. Once neat, test every port, monitor for slow charging, intermittent connection, or warm surfaces. These reveal poor contact or restricted airflow. If something fails, first reseat connectors and try different cables. If problems persist, move the dock slightly to improve cooling. Finally, make a habit of checking connections weekly so hidden fixes become unnecessary and your setup remains reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.